With its rivals making foldable phones, Google thought, why not make one for ourselves? Meet the Pixel Fold, Google's first foldable phone powered by Google's most latest techs. Powered by the Tensor G2, which can be compared to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 line of processors and 12 gigs of RAM, the Pixel Fold is built for multitasking at the highest level. The best feature of the Fold is, of course, its foldable feature. When folded, it is a 5.8-inch regular Pixel phone. And we all know, regular Pixel phones are still great phones, but when it's unfolded, the Pixel Fold becomes a 7.6-inch Goliath that can do everything you want from your phone. You can watch videos on one part, do some other task on the other part at the same time. Also, you can get access to other features of the Google Pixel, like live translation. When it comes to cameras, Google leaves no room for doubt, and Google already claims that it has the best camera among all foldable phones, featuring a triple camera setup that incorporates a 48 megapixel main camera, 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide, and 5x telephoto camera. It is closer to Pixel 6's camera setup. The 4821 mAh battery is probably its only downside, because for a phone this massive, it should have a bigger battery. But Google claims that the battery will last for more than 24 hours.